Hello, everyone. Hello to everyone in the stream. We welcome to Google Developer Student Club BITS Hyderabad inaugural event. I am very happy that you all registered for this event and attending it today. If you haven't RSVP'd to the event, please do so because that will give us access to your statistics and stuff. So after the event also, you'll be receiving a post-event mail, a form through email, and please do fill in ASAP after completing the event so that it will be used for our analysis and it will be also tracked for statistics by Google that what events are you attending and all. So you'll be seeing a ticker down below which redirects you to the link tree of GDSC BITS Hyderabad. You'll find all the links that we'll be discussing throughout this event. And also just to inform all of you out there, even if you get disconnected from this event, don't worry, you can tune back in because this is a YouTube live. You can go back and start from where you missed, or you can enjoy the live telecast. And in any time during the future, you want to revisit the stream, you can come back to our YouTube channel, the GDSC BITS Hyderabad, and you can view the recording of this live stream. This will be posted post the event is done. So please do like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and spam the comment section of the stream. With that note, let us begin this event. So we'll start with something very common. What Google Developer Student Clubs are. So it is a community group established by the students for the students to learn in a peer-to-peer learning environment. Without me telling more about what GDSC is, I'll play a video which will give you an overview of what GDSC actually is.
Developer student clubs are university-based communities where students learn about Google technology and use their skills to solve local problems. There are over 700 clubs all over the world. From North America to Europe, Africa, and across Asia, we encourage more students to join or start a developer student club at their university.
Some students have overcome personal barriers with the help of their DSC community on their journey to become developers. These clubs help student developers learn through hands-on workshops. They then identify challenges faced by local businesses, NGOs, and sometimes even their own universities and build real solutions for real problems.
The workshops that we had was Firebase, Actions on Google, and we're about to do ML. It's an amazing experience to learn about the impact that the technologies can provide in our local communities.
DSE is a family, and it's not just about the programming, it's about the learning of teamwork and leadership.
A lot of villages face the problem of water, farming, floods. Maybe we can develop applications to solve this problem. Might be very ambitious for us as students to say that, but nothing is impossible. We can do it.
Developer student clubs around the world have already impacted so many students in their universities and people in their community. The future is bright for the next generation of students.
All right, so I hope you got an overview of what GDSC actually is without me actually explaining all this stuff. So before moving further, let me introduce you to the team of GDSC BITS Hyderabad. So I'll also share the screens. So yeah, I am Sayankit, the current GDSC lead of BITS Hyderabad chapter, and my primary tech stack is Flutter and Node.js, but my current interest lies in natural language processing, which is what I'm pursuing my research on or learning more about it. And yeah, I am always excited to learning from the community and giving it back to the community, which was the main reason for the start of my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm a part-time YouTuber too, and a full-time engineer. And Yes, so let me take you to the team of GDSC BITS Hyderabad, which will be your friends throughout this year.
Hello everyone, I'm Shreya Banerjee. I am one of the leads from the development division of the Google Developer Student Club BPHC chapter. I'm a tech enthusiast and I love exploring new domains. I have some prior knowledge in the fields of robotics, machine learning, web development, and I've worked extensively with voice assistants. I've also recently won the Google Dialogflow CX Global Competition. My aim here is to share whatever little knowledge that I have with you all, and I'm sure that there's a lot that we can explore and learn together in the days to come. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Vaishnavi Srivastav and I'm the co-lead of the development division of GDSC BPHC chapter for this year. My major area of experience is Android app development, and I really look forward to hosting events and uh, working on projects that help us all enhance our skill sets while we work towards the common goal of GDSC, that's helping everyone and building a community on this goal. Thank you.
Hello guys, I'm Mani Venkat, one of the lead in business division. I'll mostly be handling product management, sponsorship and marketing along with operations. Working in the finance and consulting clubs of our campus gave me a very good exposure in this domain, and I'm really excited for a wonderful year ahead. Thank you.
All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Vibha, and I'm the other lead for the business division. So, like Mani just mentioned, I'll also be in charge of product management, sponsorship, marketing, as well as operations. And I've been involved with fields related to business entrepreneurship with a specific interest towards social entrepreneurship and consultancy for a while now. And it's something that I've really enjoyed doing. So, I'm really looking forward to applying that here as well as to a great year ahead. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Geeta Sharan from 2019 batch. I'm a part of GDSC and I'm the UIX lead of GDSC BITS Hyderabad chapter. I started uh, working in the field of design in 2009, 20 May, I guess. Yeah, I started with graphic design and I had a lot of field swaps from photo manipulation to motion graphics, and I ended up in UIX. This has been a really wonderful ride till now. I'm looking forward to a great year ahead. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Pratyush. I'm the multimedia head for GDSC BITS Hyderabad. I've been into filming and editing videos since my first year, like when I came to college, and it has been an absolute delight. I'm very excited to be working with GDSC this year, and we have a lot of cool stuff planned for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Thank you.
So guys, Sambhav Jain is also one of the core team member of GDSC BITS Hyderabad, who is not available with us today for the event, but he leads the design team of GDSC BITS Hyderabad, and he handles the graphic design, the posters, and all the cool stuff that you see on our social media handles. Uh, and yeah, this is the team that we'll be having along with 30 more people who are a part of GDSC, and we are also excited to see many more members to join GDSC, and we'll talk about that later for the people of BITS Hyderabad. So the motto of GDSC is into these three words, which is connect, learn, and grow. And we'll talk about each of the particular word, and we'll go on how GDSC BITS Hyderabad specifically caters these three areas of the developer student club motto. The first one is connect. So this is what it reads on the developer page that I read now. It says meet students interested in developer technologies at your university. All are welcome, including those with diverse backgrounds and different majors. So yeah, Coming to our chapter, we have pulled a profound and diverse interested students into the team of BITS Hyderabad. We have people good at web, app, machine learning, blockchain, cloud, voice assistance, UI UX, product management, and many much more. We have around 30 people into the team, and we are very excited to conduct a lot of events throughout the year. And when you join a member of GDSC, you will have a chance to interact with all of us and with the community we have formed. By this, I want to tell you guys how to become the member of GDSC. To become a member of GDSC, it is quite simple. Go onto the page of GDSC BITS Hyderabad, which you see in the link tree down there. When you go to the link tree link that is stickering on the bottom of the screen, you'll see something called as become a member. Click on the become a member and you'll see the our GDSC website opening on community page, and you'll see a button to join the community. On clicking it, it might prompt you to connect your Google account, and after that, you are officially a member of GDSC BITS Hyderabad. By joining a member, you will get information regarding all of our events that would be conducted via an email, so that you need not come to the page that which I shared with you every time and see what event is being conducted and all. You will be informed via an email, and you can be updated and attending all our events. And you're also given access to the Discord server of our chapter, which is also present in the link tree, which is stickering below. Also, I've created another custom link, which you can see down here. You can join from here too, or you can see from the link tree and join the Discord server. We have around 54 people right now, and we are quite excited to see people hopping into the server and having a lot of great discussions. And through this Discord server, we want to induce the peer-to-peer learning, which GDSC tries and are trying to induce into the community. The more people join the community, the better it becomes for clearing your own doubts. You can have people discussing your own topics of interest, and you can also find a partner for any contest or hackathon that you're going to take part in, and much more exciting stuff ahead. So coming to the second point, second motto point, which is called learn. So this is what it reads on the page. It says learn about a range of technical topics and gain new skills via hands-on workshops, events, talks, and project building activities in person and online. Considering the given situation, I think we are bound to have online events though. But yeah, when the college reopens, we would be very much happy to conduct the live events, that is in-person events. And we are going to have a lot of exciting hackathons too when colleges open. All right, so I'll also show you a timeline what our GDSC is bound to follow. So yeah, we are going to have the cloud campaign in October, which introduces you to the Google Cloud program, and you'll be having a 30-day Google Cloud challenge wherein you'll be learning the whole thing about Google Cloud on Quick Labs. You'll be given some free credits to learn and implement what you have learned during the tutorials. You'll be given access to those tutorials. You'll be given access to some cool events that are happening in the community based on Google Cloud. You can get a chance to interact with a lot of people in the cloud sector who are in a good position. And yeah, Google Cloud in whole is something which is gonna change the nation or community ahead. This is already in change. People are moving from normal servers to cloud servers, which might also indicate that there is a huge aspect of growth in the cloud field. So we are excited to host our first campaign, which is cloud campaign in the October, and then we move on to November, where we have the Android campaign, where you'll be having study jams and a lot of exciting stuff pertaining to Android. And then in December you have events pertaining to Flutter. Then January to March you have something really exciting called Solution Challenge, based on which I'll be discussing at the later point of stream, which is the key event that is being conducted throughout the tenure of GDSC. And then you have another cloud campaign during February and March. So people who have already completed the introductory portions during October will have a chance to do some intermediate or advanced stuff in Google Cloud. You'll be given more credits and more credibility on what you'll be doing, and you'll be given certificates and squads and goodies if you finish the intermediate and advanced, and also if you finish the introductory sessions with very good badges and stuff. So yeah, people are moving through cloud, and we also expect people of GDSC BITS Hyderabad to also follow the same path. And in April, we have the web campaign, wherein you'll be learning about how to build websites and how to learn what single page applications are and stuff. And then in May, you have the machine learning campaign. And then after May, we'll be having the graduation ceremony of GDSE. And then the next tenure begins, the next lead comes into the chapter. But yeah, this is what that is planned from the Google side, and which every GDSE is bound to follow. But as GDSE BITS Hyderabad, we are also planning to plug in a lot of other events in between the given themes, so as to make people get exposed to a lot of other sectors the world is moving into. The world is moving at a faster rate. There's nothing wrong in moving ahead with the world. There are a lot of other fields which are just starting out and moving at very exponential rate. So if you enter the race when it is in the start, you can also fall into those exponential graph, and you can take your careers to those heights. So we would try to introduce you to different events or conduct any activity on that particular technology. We have a lot of ideas on that. So you might go on to become a great developer in that field, and who knows, you can start a great startup with the community members in GDSC BITS Hyderabad too. And yeah, coming to the third point, which is grow, which says apply new learnings to build great solutions for local problems, advance your skills, career, and network, get back to your community by helping others learn too. You have seen in the video that people are more interested to help the community. We as individuals learn a lot from community, take a lot from community, and we know none of us can deny that too. But we have to give it back to renew what we have taken and what we have learned. That's how we grow as an individual when we give back to the community. This is done by sharing individuals what we know. Through this club, we are wishing to conduct a lot of events and other activities through which we are going to share a lot of knowledge with the profound speakers that we'll be hosting throughout this year. And through this club, you can network with a lot of equally minded individuals on the community that we are building and form lifelong connections too. And as I said, you can also start something great from this small chats. As a member, you can also participate in something called as Google Solution Challenge, which I was talking earlier, by which you'll be solving very real world problems. And that's what the grow of GDSC motto actually resembles in. And that's what I'll show you. Just give me a minute.
Let's check out the solution challenge.
Let's do this.
Okay, I'll present my screen.
Welcome to the Google Developer Student Club's 2021 Solution Challenge. The mission of this challenge is to use Google technology to solve for one of the United Nations' 17 Sustainable Development Goals, aiming to end poverty, ensure prosperity, and protect the planet. Win cool prizes, mentorship from Google, and swag. Get help along the way from Google at training events, code labs, and hackathons. Submit your solution by March 31st, 2021. Register today. We can't wait to see what you build.
Let's get started.
So yes, you have seen what solution challenges. You tend to solve the sustainable goals of development, which is given by United Nations, and you form a product which is from a problem that is existing in the society. So once you get through this process, you'll create a very great impact in the society. And with this impact, you can also change the life of a lot of people in the society with what you learn. You can build real world projects. This is not a project, this is a real education that you're giving, that you're learning, because you'll be implementing what you have learned. And yes, if you do really great, Google will be mentoring your team. And yes, in the year 2021, an Indian team, an Indian GDSC team, went into the top 3, and it is also the winner of GDSC Solution Challenge, one of the winners. So yes, so we as Indians also need to ensure that we need to be building products that really make value to the community and all. So this is one aspect of what the motto of GDSC is. Now, I want to give a small insight on how to become a member, the working member of GDSC BITS Hyderabad. We have already conducted an inductions throughout the last 4 or 5 weeks and we took in around 30 people into our group, and this is not and we want to tell that this is not the only thing that we have planned for. We have something called as active inductions, through which you can be a part of GDSC BITS Hyderabad through the induction form, and this would be open throughout the year, 365 days, 24 by 7. And anyone who wishes to leverage their skills, they can apply for GDSC. And yes, you can apply for the GDSC any number of times. Whenever you feel you're good and your projects are good, you can apply to GDSC, and we'll be checking into the responses 15 to 20 days. And we'll find if there are any good picks, we'll send you through the induction process, and you'll be considered for the team. For those who aren't a part of team that we formed, the 30 people, please reconsider to participate anytime during the year, and we'll be excited to have you on board and help us in conducting a lot of exciting stuff for the community. So please fill the form for inductions whenever you feel you want to show up. The link is given in the on this in the link tree, or you'll also find on your Facebook shoutbox post. This is only applicable for people of GDSC BITS Hyderabad. Anyone who want to be a member can join the community Discord server, or you can hop into the GDSC community page and you can join all of our events for free, and you're also a member of GDSC. And yes, this is what I was talking about, the Discord server. You will have the link, a shortened link, bit.ly/GDSC BITS Hyderabad -Discord, or you can also find it in the ticker below through the link tree. So with this, I want to conclude our GDSC BITS Hyderabad inaugural event. If you guys have any questions, please hit in. Ask in whatever you feel to. It's not like something related to only the inaugural event, something, anything you wish to ask regarding GDSC BITS Hyderabad, or what events you're planned for, and all the other stuff. So we got a comment here from Raj Gandhi, which says, what kind of problems are you looking at tackling with tech solutions? So basically, there are 17 goals that United Nations offers from for this Google Solution Challenge, and we haven't yet figured out what we want to work. But yes, we'll be researching keenly on each and every topic, what problem that is being faced, and we'll be trying to find out as a team what solution we need to pick up. So there's also another question we have: what are the skills that I should focus on to start with development? So in development, there are a couple of very diverse fields that you can jump into. There is web development, there is app development, there is machine learning, there is blockchain, there are like a lot of fields in development. So what I would suggest you, and what I've followed also, is to try each and every field for 1 month at least, and try to give your 100% in each of the field. You learn the basic skills. You can find roadmaps on YouTube, or yes, this is a suspense that we wanted to have. We'll be also releasing roadmaps and getting started stuff from GDSC BITS Hyderabad on our website. Our website is also available in the link tree. You can go in and check in. We'll also be releasing it to the community whenever we feel it is ready. So you can start up with different roadmaps which are available on YouTube. You can watch what skills are necessary for each of the particular domain, and you start with something like web development or machine learning. Anything is fine, and go on, try for 1 month. If you like it, you continue. If you don't like it, switch your field and try on different fields until you find which one is something that excites you, that makes you stay until 12 a.m. in the morning, and make you coding throughout the day. All right, so we've also got another comment here. Prerequisites to join GDSC. So for the development team as such, you need to be having good projects and good experience in development. It's not like you need to be a pro level guy or something very high, but you need to have good projects on your resume that you will be submitting to the GDSC, and we'll be analyzing your technical skills on that. It can be related to any field. We have people from different fields into the GDSC, and once you're into it, you can also learn stuff. You can try cross domain, you can try business domain also, if that's something that excites you. And talking about business domain, there is no skill as such. We'll be taking you based on some interviews that our business division leads will be handling. And for creative division, there are three divisions, which is UI, UX, video, and graphic. And you need to be knowing at least one software and how to work with it in each of the division. Like for UI, UX, maybe Figma or Adobe XD, and for video, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro. And for graphic, you need to be knowing Photoshop and Illustrator and something like that. So yeah, who will be taking the workshops on different technologies? So workshops can be taken by the people in the GDSC, or we can also ask the Google developer leads who are from other DSCs, and we can also ask someone very good in Google developer community, someone with who is very high in high position. We can ask for them, and we are also planning to have some profound speakers for some events, so that you'll know how things are in the job industry and how things are while in the learning industry, and you can assess how much you need to be studying or how much you need to be preparing to get into the job industry and excelling in that particular field. So it depends on different things. Workshops as such would be taken by the people from GDSC, but speaker events and such would be conducted with someone really profound. So I hope you guys are done with your Q&A. Even if you have any questions, you can drop a mail to dscbitshyderabad@gmail.com. I'll be leaving to the link to the mail is in our website. You can go into the link tree and click on the go to our website. And in the website, we have all our social media handles link and also our email. You can drop in your query, and we'll be more than happy to answer your query. And yes, with this note, let us commence the event. Thanks everyone for joining it. After this event, you'll be given a post-event form through your email, and please fill in how did you feel about this event, and would you be excited to attend all of the events that we'll be conducting throughout this year. Thanks everyone. Bye. Stay safe.